Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Tamsin. If you're returning, then welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing how to tie-dye your own socks. I'm just going to get straight into the video because that's what you're here to see. So, hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it. So you're going to need some sort of tie-dye. I use the Dylon Sunflower Yellow one, or whatever colour that you have. I'm going to be using different colours. You just need a water bottle, and then some table salt or just some salt, and some little elastics or rubber bands, and also a pair of socks or ankle socks, any type of socks, preferably white. These are just some long socks which I like. So to start off with, I'm taking my dye. This one's got actually powder, so I take about 3 teaspoons and pop that into the bottle or whatever you're using. Then once I've done that, I'm going to take a teaspoon of salt and pop that in with it as well. So once you've done that, literally just fill it up with water. This is warm, lukewarm water, so I'm not sure if it actually matters, but yeah, I prefer to use lukewarm water. So yeah, just fill it up to the top and then let's go. So basically just shake it up till everything's dissolved. That's it really, just make sure it's all super dissolved. So this is the bit where I was a bit confused. So literally just on the top, I just pinch it all up and bunch it all up, then just put elastics around it. And again for the second one, and then for the other 2 pairs, I just kind of randomly did it to see if it actually make any difference if I did it any other way. I don't think it will, but I just thought I'd try it. But yeah, literally just scrunch it from the bottom and pop elastics around them. Then just chuck them in a bowl and rinse them off with cold water. Then after I've done that, literally just make sure every single one is covered. After you've done that, just make sure you get all your bottle. To be honest, I did realise that with the bottle it's actually better to have a bit of a thinner thing, but basically I just sort of pour it all on. You can like do little dots, any sort of pattern you want, but I just decided just to kind of cover all these and see what would happen. So that's literally it, just cover both sides. So I kind of wanted to show from a different angle, which obviously I wouldn't be holding the camera normally. So I also kind of go in between, so it kind of goes inside of some of the sock, if that makes sense. Then after that, literally just bag them all up into a plastic bag and leave for a few hours. So I ended up actually leaving them overnight. So I literally just take them out of the bag and I rinse them with very cold water. Obviously undo all of the elastics. I couldn't do it really filming, it was quite hard. Yeah, literally just rinse it with cold water. You can put them in the washer, but I don't, and I just kind of put it with some soap and leave it to dry. And this is what they look like. Honestly, they're alright. They're not as yellow as I thought they'd be. I wanted to show you that I had done some pink pairs as well, just so you can sort of see how it came out differently. I think next time I'm going to try doing it a different way and just putting like a few blobs on instead, because it has come out like pretty, like it kind of covers the whole sock sort of thing. So close up, again, I think I'll just add a little bit more powder in just so it comes out a little bit more yellow. And again, I think I'll just kind of blob it on more and try different patterns really. I mean, you can really do whatever, but this was really, you know, you can cover as much as you want. And as I said, I did do some pink ones which are here, and I kind of did the similar technique as well with these, but you can see them a bit more on this one because they're a lot brighter, but I've done quite a lot of pink. So it just depends how you scrunch them really and stuff like that. But yeah, this is how I do mine. And again, I have also got quite a few different colours to try out, but these are just some yellow and pink ones. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and nice to watch, and you learn how to do some tie-dye socks, or if you just enjoy watching these sort of videos. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. It'd mean a lot, and it's free. The button's just down below. And any other video ideas you want to see from me, just let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll see you next week.